Hello, I can read your mind. Are you ready? Think of any two-digit number. Find the sum of the digits. Subtract the sum from the number that you chose. Let me guess the answer that you got. Your answer is hidden somewhere in this table. I can see your answer. There is a picture that corresponds to your answer. Shall I tell you what that picture is? Is your answer the number with a smiley face? Yes! Did I read your mind? How is my magic? Do you want to know how I did this? Try out the same trick with some more numbers. Probably you may crack the math behind this magic. Are you interested in playing more such games and puzzles? Then join us in exploring the properties of numbers through this chapter.